Music enhances memory and learning. Spend quality time reading and singing songs to your child, every day. You could play soft music and other songs, like chants, in the child's room at specific times each day. Speak to the child and give the child time to respond. Make everyday activities a learning time, introducing names of foods, household items, toys, and items used every day. Children listen, they learn how to differentiate specific sounds, they associate sound with actions, and finally put together sounds with what they actually mean. Be vigilant at all times. Follow the leader. You don't need special training or courses to help your child learn and develop their speech and language skills. Think about it. If you smile at a child, the child smiles back at you. So, if you follow the leader, your child will copy whatever you do, and unconsciously learn. Start a conversation with the child while eating, bathing, or simply while bonding. Tell the child what is happening, and all about other family members and even pets. Help the child recognize objects and colors by saying things like, nice red ball, or cuddly brown bear. Avoid using single-word sentences and replies, instead use multiple-word phrases to encourage more vocabulary building. Interactive learning tools. Innovations in learning have been in existence since the beginning of time. Early humans used the walls of the caves to express themselves and teach young ones. With time, humans used beads, terracotta plaques, and abacus counters to teach. Colorful blocks and cards were used in memory games to sharpen retentive skills, as well as recognition in children. With the many innovations in technology, and the fast-paced life is taking, age-old methods of crooning songs while sitting with the child on a rocking chair, or spending hours just conversing with a child, are fast-changing. What is popular, is interactive teaching materials that are fun. Educational YouTube videos, CDs, and DVDs from learning companies make learning a fun process. These are specially designed by language experts to enrich a child's vocabulary of words while simultaneously placing them in the appropriate context. These educational videos are more than interesting, they stimulate natural language and promote learning through play. Stay one step ahead. You will benefit if you make an effort to find out all you can about language development. There are self-help books as well as websites and articles written by experts. It is important to understand that the learning curve for every child is unique. Some talk early, while others do so a little later. Don't be anxious and try and push your child. If in doubt, ask the doctor. Plan to spend quality time with your child, listen to the child's moods and choices. Introduce laughter and joy by singing action songs, making comic faces, and playing pat a cake. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.